When you think about book design, you're probably thinking about the cover, but your book's interior is just as important. It affects how professional your book looks and how easy it is to read. If the layout is cluttered or the font is hard to read, then it can distract your readers from the story. So in this video, let's see what a good book interior looks like and why it matters. What is book interior design? Book interior design is all about how the text looks inside the book. So this includes font, line spacing, margin, quotes, images, page numbers, and a lot more. You may not notice good interior when it's done right, but you'll definitely notice when something feels off. To understand this, let's look at an example. We'll go through what makes this layout clear and easy to read, based on guidelines from the Chicago Manual of Style. Don't worry if this sounds technical, we'll make it very simple. Firstly, let's look at the font. It's clean and easy to read. Most books use serif fonts like Times New Roman or Garamond because they're clear. The double spacing between the lines is just right. It's not too wide so your eyes can flow smoothly as you read. Now let's look at the space around the text. This is the margin. If the margin is too narrow, the page would feel cramped. But if it's too wide, the page will look empty. Chicago Manual of Style recommends keeping the margins in manuscript format so that it's comfortable to read. Now let's come to chapter beginnings. See how the chapter starts in a fresh page with a clear heading? That's intentional. The chapter title is big enough to stand out, but not too large that it looks clumsy. Notice the small details at the top or bottom of the page, like page number, book title, and author name. These help with navigation. According to Chicago Manual of Style, the front of your book, which is the table of contents, should include Roman numerals. The main content that starts from chapter 1 should include standard numbers. And if the book has a long quote or a special section, notice how it's set apart from the rest of the text, indented or in smaller font. This helps people understand that it's different from the main flow of the story or the content. If you're formatting your book yourself, you can use tools like Word or InDesign. Platforms like the NotionPress platform also comes with ready-to-use templates where you don't need to do anything. You just need to upload your manuscript and it will be formatted for you. At NotionPress, we follow the Chicago Manual of Style standards when we format your book. Whether you want a simple interior design or something that feels unique to your genre, our interior designers are here to ensure that your book looks perfect. Click the link in the description to learn more, and if you haven't yet watched our previous video on cover design, you should check that out as well. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!